Hey everyone, I spent a long time thinking about what kind of video to make for you, and I finally came up with an idea. Today, I'm going to use just one tool, and with the help of this tool, I grew my deposit from $100 to $1,000. In this video, you'll see how I did it and which tool I used. Let's not waste any time and get this video started. Alright, let's take a look at our first trade for today. This one's for a drop. The indicator, as you can see, is Ichimoku. And let's also figure out how this indicator works. Everything about it is really simple and easy, guys. First of all, you look at the color of the cloud. Right now, the color of the cloud is red. That's our signal to open a trade for a drop. A signal to open a trade for a rise. That means the cloud is green, like this one here. So first, you'll look at the color of the cloud, and second, you check where your price is. If your price is between these two turquoise lines, like mine is right now, you can open a trade in the direction of the cloud's color. So in my case, that would be for a drop. If the cloud were green, then you'd go for a rise. So the principle is actually pretty simple. Yeah, the indicator itself looks pretty ugly and confusing. By the way, the first trade is closing successfully in the plus, and it's kinda hard to understand this indicator at first, because, well, there are all these lines and it's not clear what they mean. But guys, in this video, I'm gonna explain everything to you, show you everything, and I hope you'll really understand how to trade with this indicator. You'll see that it's not as scary as it looks. It might seem confusing, but if you figure out how to use it, you'll discover a really good indicator. First of all, it's very accurate with its signals, and second, once you get the hang of it, it actually becomes pretty simple, because basically, there are just two signals here, and that's it. There's nothing else to it. So the situation here is for an upward movement. The price is between these two turquoise lines, and the color block is green. In other words, the price is going up. We also have market settings. The market settings are 50-second Japanese candlesticks and an expiration time of 1 minute. But where can you find the settings for the indicator itself? You'll find the indicator settings in our Telegram channel. The link to it will be in the description below the video, or in the profile header of our YouTube channel. Go ahead and grab the settings. And here, we don't just post indicator settings, but also news from the world of trading. Currency pairs, and so on and so forth. In other words, we post a lot of different things here. Any trader will find something useful here, from beginner to pro. Let me say right away, if you can't find the settings for a particular strategy that you saw on our YouTube channel, just send us a direct message. You can message us directly, send the video where you want to find the settings, meaning if we showed a strategy and the settings are on our YouTube channel, just send us that video and we'll send you the settings for that strategy. So guys, don't comment on our YouTube channel in a panic saying you can't find the settings for a strategy. Just send us a direct message, share the video, and we'll send you the settings for the strategy from that video. Again, we have a situation for an upward move. You see, both of them are green. The price was between the two market lines. Well, when I opened the trade, it was between the two market lines, but now they've come a bit closer together. So guys, there are a couple of situations where you shouldn't open trades. The first situation is pretty logical. It's when the price is outside the market lines. So the lines are somewhere here, and the price is moving somewhere over here. In that case, just skip it and wait for the price to approach the market lines. There are also situations where, in the clouds, the lines become really small. Sometimes they even intertwine with each other. And here too, there's no clear signal. You should skip this kind of situation as well, because you won't get any signal here. Also, you can see from the market lines that they've intertwined as well. Skip this as well, because you won't get any signal here either. By the way, the trade closed successfully in profit. So if you see a situation in the market where either the market lines or the Ichimoku clouds are intertwined, like here, you can see the market lines are tangled, the clouds are tangled, and you're not getting any signal, skip that currency pair and look for signals on another one. Basically, that's it. There aren't any more situations. But there is a situation when it's better to open trades. That's when the cloud is expanding. For example, right now, the clouds are quite wide apart. That's a good thing. It means that right now, there's high volatility in the market, and this also affects the market lines. So when the market lines are also spread wide apart, that also means there's high volatility in the market. When you see these two situations, it's better to use those currency pairs. But right now, you see that the cloud is wide, which should mean there's volatility, but the lines are tangled. If that happens, just skip it and look for a signal with another currency pair. So take a look. You can see that the cloud is opened up, and it's red. The price is between the two turquoise lines. The price is at the opening of a mirror for a downward move. And by the way, guys, this is a really interesting situation. Why? Because when the cloud has just opened, no matter the color, it means there's about to be a strong move in the direction of the cloud's color. So as you can see, the red cloud is just closed. That means there's about to be a good downward move. And it's the same with the green cloud. If the cloud had just opened in green, that would mean there's about to be a strong upward move. So when you see that the cloud is just starting to open, it means there's about to be a really strong move. And you can even wait a little bit for the cloud to expand a bit more. It doesn't always start moving right away, of course. Sometimes it might take just a couple of minutes, 2, 3, maybe 4, or even 5 minutes. And by the way, the girl closed her trade successfully. So this is a really interesting mechanic of how this indicator works. When the cloud opens up, there's a strong move in the direction of the cloud's color. And this is our last trade for today. I think after this, the session will end successfully. This trade is for a downward move. The cloud is red, and the price is between the two turquoise lines. So this trade is for a drop. Just a reminder, guys, you can find the settings for the cloud and Ichimoku in our Telegram channel. The link to it will be in the description below the video or in the header of our YouTube channel profile. Go check it out, grab the settings, and trade with us using this indicator. And just a reminder, if you can't find the settings, send us a direct message, drop a link to the video, and we'll send you the indicator settings, or the strategy settings with both indicators, the combo from this video. And the last trade for today, 3 seconds left, 2 on, successfully closes in profit, guys. The breakout was a success. My balance is now $1,056. So I managed to grow my deposit from $100 to $1,056 using just one indicator, the Ichimoku Cloud. So guys, I successfully grew my deposit and I didn't have any issues with it. Everything went really smoothly and there weren't any uncertain trades. I was confident in all of them. Just a reminder, guys, you can find the settings in our Telegram channel. If you can't find them, send us a direct message, drop a link to the video, and we'll send you the strategy settings shown in this video. Message us on Telegram, the link is in the description below the video or in the header of our YouTube channel profile. That's it for now, guys. I hope you found it interesting to see how the indicator works and how I manage my deposit. Share your thoughts and feedback about this strategy, this indicator, and about Ester Zone in the comments. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Maybe you want to see more videos like this more often? That's it for today, guys. Leave a like, subscribe to the Telegram and YouTube channel, and drop your comments below. See y'all next time.